Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stella Temtsen. If you're here for the first time, please don't forget to like and subscribe and put your post notification on so that I can be notified whenever I upload. As you can see, my title of this video should be reacting to Black and White singing Three Dog Night. So let's watch and enjoy. And guys, please, if you'd like to support your girl further, please subscribe to this channel, drop a like, drop comments, and subscribe to my Patreon as well, where I have exclusive content and Patreon only content. And yeah, and you get to decide like what my next video is going to be about. So yes, let's watch and enjoy. Okay, it started. It's not turning. Oh, this sounds like fun. Turn. Oh my gosh, I need this thing to turn so I can dance. See my village people.
The ink is black, the page is white. Together we learn to read and write. A child is black,
Okay.
a child is white. The whole world looks upon the sight, a beautiful sight. And now a child can understand that this is the law of all the land, all the land. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. A child is black, a child is white. Together they grow to see the light, to see the light. And now at last we plainly see we'll have a dance of liberty. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. A child is black, a child is white. The whole world looks upon the sky, a beautiful sight. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. A child is black, a child is white. Together they grow to see the light, to see the light. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. The child is black, the child is white. The whole world looks upon the sky, a beautiful sight. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. The child is black, the child is white. Together they grow to see the light, to see the light. Come on, get it, get it. Keep it up now, around the world. Little boys, there, little girls.
I love that. I love that a lot. That was very inspiring. That was very inspiring. That was fun. It's really, really nice. I loved it. I loved it. And I loved the message as well. Yeah, that was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful song. Guys, if you're done this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and put your post notification on so that I'm inspired when I upload. And support your girl. Support me. Join my Patreon. And I'll see you guys next time with another video.